सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Fourteenth verse. तदेतदिति मन्यन्ते अनिर्देश्यं परमं सुखम् कथं नु तद्विजानीयाम् किमु भाति विभाति वा न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकम् नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वम् तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकम् नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तम् अनुभाति सर्वम् तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति. You saw in the morning class the 14th verse. In the 14th verse is the question on the 12th and 13th verse. Because in the 12th and 13th verse it was mentioned Tesham Sukham Shashvatam Netaresham or Tesham Shantim Shashvatim. They alone have eternal joy, non-changing joy. Others don't have. Others have changing joy depending on the conditioning. Joy, I told you there are two things. One is experiential joy and one is substantial or essential joy. So experiential joy is depending on the conditionings. And conditionings are the product of Maya. Conditionings are product of Maya. Mind cannot be quiet all the time. Mind may have another emotions today. It is not very quiet. My body itself is giving me pain today. So this is what is called the experiential joy, which is at a thought level joy. Vritti Anand is there. And another is substantial joy, which is not of the nature of vritti. Like you experience your eye. Eye is experience, it is a thoughtless knowledge. Why? Because any knowledge which thought has coming and going, knowledge which thought can be forgotten. Many subjects you may have forgotten what you have heard 16 years back. Will have forgotten recent one also. So that vritti anand which is there, because the thought impression is not there. What is the definition of Smriti? Bolo. As per Patanjali? Huh? No. Anubhut Vishaya Apramosha Smriti. So what you have heard, so you did not have impression about that. So my impression has been rubbed off. 20 years back, what subject I studied, I don't know what subject was there. Subject I know, but what was inside that topic I don't know. It is all forgotten. The impression has got blurred totally. So that experiential joy, it will depend on vritti, sharir. Food is very good because my mind is very happy today. Supposing somebody is there and I lost some of my close friends, suppose, and the good food is there, maybe I'll be sad. Or I am not well, my toothache has started. What to say of now? Food also has gone with the toothache. I can't eat properly. Or there is stomach pain is there. Pain in the stomach is there. Food is very good. There is Rumali roti is there. Rumali roti. That they lift like that. They should be sent into Olympic. They have a lot of talents are there. So they lift it like that. This big roti is there. And they fold it. Wheat flour. Maida roti is there. White flour. So that is there. That has come in your plate. Somebody had took you out for lunch. Around 7 kind of 5 vegetable was there. Salad was there. Raita was there. And after that there was some kind of pickles were there. Pickle they had made today. This that chili pickle was there. कहाँ गया जो आप लाई थे पिकल? अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. हाँ, अच्छा, okay. So that pickle is also there. A problem is stomach ache is there. You will see, but medium is not okay. So your experience joy will vary. Or sometimes, supposing you are sitting and some person is just gazing you eating. So you take the plate and he is looking down and eating will be difficult now. I go through all this, therefore I am telling. Every day there are 10 people, not only here. If I go to India, every center, at least 5 people. And they are sincerely standing to serve. Many of them, they are sincerely standing. But sometimes you don't know the person. If you don't know the person at all, then you are a little embarrassed. If you know, then it is okay. And the small child is also there. He likes something which I'll eat. That is also a problem. So, experiential Anand is changing Anand. Changing Anand is there. Because it is depending on which conditioning? Intellect, mind, samskar, and body. And situation. So how many conditionings are there? Situational. What you call ambience is not good. Ambience is not good. Once we went to a place called in Narmada. They say we should have Narmada is a river. There we should have picnic. So all the chicks went for a picnic near Narmada. Which place was there? Maheshwar somewhere. So they had a lot of nice food they had prepared from their houses they brought. So chicks were there. Nice river was flowing. Wow, badhiya. Everybody was in a nice mood. I was also there. Lot of chicks were there indoor. And lot of activities. Whole evening, afternoon, all full of young boys, girls. So we were eating there. Somebody came. Bole, here is where they burned the corpse. I saw that person and the body, both I saw. With all ambience got disturbed. मैंने कहा इसको put in Narmada ji only. Let it be offered to Narmada मैया की जय. So उसको जय कर दो सब. क्यों आप? अरे where the corpse is put, who will eat those food now? Already I'm guilty why I ate all that. And why you are sitting there? Little ambience is not okay. Some dirt, garbage is close to you. Stinking garbage. Flies are there, mosquitoes are there. But I will not eat here. Therefore, in hotel, much money is spent on ambience, light, sound, music, false ceiling, the well-dressed waiters. Waiters, they'll come with some nice. They are better dressed than us sometimes. So much good looking also, my God. So he's so handsome waiter is there. We don't know that he's waiter necessarily, but he's quite educated. He'll come and say, "Hello, sir. How are you? Fine. How can I help you?" Sorry, soft spoken. In the house, nobody talks like that. So very soft spoken. Yes, you want something nicely. Hair full of gel and all this nicely. Oh, nice, clean shaved. Not that clumsy look is there. Tie is there, suited, putted. Yes. Ting, 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 ting. Some bell is there, ting, ting going on there. This is all ambience is there. Nice sofa set is there. Then body has to be okay. Then your mind has to be quiet. You are busy with some issue or you have to go to the airport. 10 o'clock flight is there and this person has not brought the taxi now. Oh, in the same hotel. I have to be there 9 o'clock and it is 5 to 9. Taxi is not there. And he is offering me some cold drink at that time. Arey yaar, hatao cold drink, where is my taxi? Have cold drink. Where is my taxi? I'll miss the flight. Mind is not okay now. Or intellect is there, the person in front of me doesn't have love for me, is just so this is experiential anand, this changing anand. But if the substantial anand which is there, that is my own swarupam. Therefore Shashwati word, I'm repeating it, is a key word. Eternal, non-changing. So what is this anand have? It is Shashwati anand. Number one characteristic, sukham atyantikam yattat buddhi grayam atindriyam vetti yatra na chaivayam sthitas chalati tattvata. 6th chapter. Number 1 point. In this anand, what are the first point? It is limitless. It is not objectifiable. ऐसा है, इससे नहीं. It is not through the mind, through the body, through the sense organ. बड़ा अच्छा था, ये बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. Nice boy is there, nice house is there, what a food is. It is not an objectifiable anand. Okay. It is called atyantikam. Second, in that anand, there is no. It is of the nature of knowledge. Buddhi grahiyam. And third, it is beyond the senses. It is beyond the senses and mind. Okay. And it is constant as it was. This is it is one with my nature. That Anand and myself are not two things, they are one and same. It is called Shashwati. Okay. Okay. Now I am coming to. Now the question is asked in 14th verse. That Anand is what Anand? Tad Vijaniyam. How shall I know that? Who is asking? Nachiketa is asking. How it shines and how others shine because of that. And the answer is very interesting. What is the answer? Question is how to experience, and this is called Brahmanand. So Nachiketa is going to ask how to experience. So answer Yamraj will give that Brahmanand is not an object of experience. It cannot be experienced. Why? Because it is consciousness itself. Somebody shows, show me your self. Which self? Which you experience as I. No, I can't show you. No, show me. What? That self which you experience as I every day and night. Show me. It cannot be shown. Why? If I show it, somebody else should be there to see that. How can that be shown? But that Anand is Anand. It is limitless principle. It is not a particular experience. It is a substratum of all experience. Now, to tell that this verse is there, this is the background of 15th verse. Now, this is said that it is not a Anand it is not an object. Let us now go to the 15th verse. How many of you by heart this verse? 15th verse. 15th verse. No. Are 15th verse. See? Na tatra suryo bhati. Are nobody. How do you do arti in your house? But I don't do arti. Then you have to write where you have your puja room. You write it and laminate that. And there, when you are doing puja, at the end when you do arti, then you see Om. Don't let the arti not fall down while seeing that. So you can see that. Om na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam nema vidyato. This is a temple also is chant every day. Morning also, evening also, every arti. Very popular arti. Let us now see what is the meaning of that. Very important, very interesting, very beautiful, wonderful. It is fantabulous mantra. Fantabulous. Huh? This is a conjunction is a sandhi is there. So fantastic and fabulous. It is called fantabulous. Natatra suryo bhati. What is the normal source of light? Normal source of light is sun. Or this light is there. In the night this light is there. Achha. Supposing both is not working. Then if somebody is coming, supposing somebody is coming and you can see, Arey Ravi, how are you Ravi? You saw clearly. But supposing you can't see clearly, it is dusk and night and you say somebody is coming, then who is that? Hello, who is that standing, coming here? So he will say, Ravi. Okay. Oh, Ravi, oh, sorry, I didn't see you. Everybody has different footstep is different of every person. Everybody has different kind of. Some drag their own shoes like that they walk. Some make lot of sound, like army is coming. Some they don't make any sound, deliberately to find out how others doing. So it's a very silent footsteps. Some shoes are quite sound making shoes actually. ये भी होता है. Although this person is not making, and some flooring is like that. Thak, 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 thak. You know, in the film like that, they show thak, 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 thak. The hero is walking like that, and there the camera is showing the footsteps like that. So then you say, who is that? You say, I am Ravi. Okay. Third source of knowledge. I think Ravi is there. How? His footsteps like that. He only drags the sandals like that. It is his sandal. Different, everybody is different. Mine is very easy to identify because it makes a lot of sound. When I come here, you must be getting that. Thak, thak. No? Okay. So it makes such a sound. Clip clop is called clip clop of the Padukas. Good word is clip clop. So 3 sources of knowledge are there. But one is Pratyaksh. Which one? Sun. Second, I asked, who are you? That means I asked from my tongue. What is the devta of that tongue? Huh? Agni. So Agni was, and third is Hanuman. You guessed that this is the sound associated with that person. Okay. Chandra Tarakam are covered up because they are the reflected light. And Vidyito is lightning, flash is there. It is said here that none of the sources can illuminate the Atma. Why? Why? Because Atma is not pratyaksh that sun can illuminate it. And Atma cannot be told that this is called flower. For Atma is not Anuman, also by Anuman is dependent on pratyaksh. So all the means of, normal means of knowledge are gone. All praman are disqualified. It cannot be known by any praman. I need not say this because I have already said in the beginning classes. Because Atma cannot be objectified. Okay. So it is sarva pramana agocharam aprameya ityartha swam prakash. It cannot be known by. Doctor can see the throat by taking the torch. Well, open your mouth. Let me see how much cold you have. Say don't only open, say also. So he will say keep on saying don't laugh, keep on saying he is not pointing the torch towards my Atma. बोले आत्मा दिख रहे हैं तुम्हारी. Torch, it is not pratyaksh. Or he has put his stethoscope here. He said, breathe heavily. Heavily I am saying, as if you are running. I have to see whether cough is here or not. Therefore they make this test. Now, here, so lie down. Hey, don't operate. No, not you, lie down this. So there is a bench in the clinic. So lies down. He said, take out your shirt. Huh? Why? No, I have to see this. Oh. He is afraid that he will put some pin and he will give me injection. These children are very afraid. Children think this doctor will give injection only. Okay. And if pain is there, then also they will say. Pain is there? No. Some are pain is there, still they say no, because he will keep on again say again. So, na tatra suryo bhati, na chandra tarakam. So it is praman agocharam. This is the first conclusion. Okay. How can fire? So Surya is for pratyaksh and Agni is for Vani, Shabda Praman. And Chandra is for Anuman Praman. Because Chandrama is the deity of mind. Chandrama is the deity of mind. Now, I'll take you to some more things in that. And this verse is very important. One is called Bhati, other is called Anubhati. Bhati means shines, and Anubhati means shines after that. Achha, you are aware of the form first or aware of the eyes first? Supposing a person is sleeping. In front of him object is there. But there is a rays from the eyes called Netra Jyoti. That Netra Jyoti is not there. So first he will have Netra Jyoti, then he will see the outside object. Rather, the rule is illuminator should be more pervasive than the illuminated. If the light on your body is illuminating you, that light should be more pervasive than your body. Otherwise, I won't see your body completely. When one side is dark, illuminator should be more pervasive than the illuminated. Now, this Netra Jyoti which comes out. So, first Netra Jyoti comes, or first I see the object? Netra Jyoti means the rays of the eyes. First rays of the eyes come, then I see the object. So which is Bhati, which is Anubhati? Netra Jyoti is Bhati and object is Anubhati. Okay. I have understood. I have not explained the whole thing. Wait, I understood. Let me complete. Some people, you called, where is listen? He said, I have one word. Ho jayega, over. I said, let me complete. Ho gaya. I have not said only what work is. Ho gaya. Kaam ho gaya. Let me hear first. Now, another point. Therefore, when you are sleepy, Netra Jyoti is not there. Karna Jyoti is not there. When your mind goes off sometimes, while you are seeing me, your mind goes off. So this Karna Jyoti goes off. So you are seeing me, but your mind is somewhere else. Well, in the house, I don't know what must be happening. Who is using my room? Other people are using my room. They should not upset my cupboard. And mind has gone from here. So I have said something in the process, and you didn't reach. Well, Netra Jyoti, this Karna Jyoti, rays of the ears have gone now. So this Indriya Jyoti is Bhati and Vishaya Jyoti is Anubhati. Indriya Jyoti is illumined and the light on the object is illumined after that. So first is the illumination of the sense organ, and then there is the illumination of the object. Object means all. Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, everything. चलो भाई चलते रहो. Now go behind. Back? No. Behind yourself. Okay. There is something called Mana Jyoti, something called Indriya Jyoti. There is something called rays of the mind and something called is the rays of the sense organ. Between two, rays of the mind come first and then rays of the sense organ comes. Okay. So your mind is more first, you know, when you wake up in the morning, you see later on, first your mind comes. First you are just, Raju, get up. How did the time? So there is a thought before you see. You don't open your eyes first. You first, there is a little swapna is there, little dream is there. For a split moment, little dream kind of mind has come first. Later on, the sense organ will come. First, mind comes. Okay. So mind is bhati, and the sense organ are anubhati. Rays of mind is first, and rays of sense organ are later on. Okay. Can I go ahead? There's a difference between that. Sense organ light comes later on, but first it comes in the mind. Mind is first element. Split second is there, but mind is more. Then you open. Because to say that open your eyes, you need a mind. Somebody has to say open the eyes. Let us see what is the time. Okay. Because unless you get direction from somebody, no, who has directed to open the eyes? Well, automatically nothing happens. Somebody directs to open the eyes. And therefore mind was prior and sense organ was later. Okay. Can I go behind? More is there? Yes. Okay. And there is somebody who is the knower of mind. Consciousness में आते हैं. Because mind is not by itself, does not have its light. Why? Because light of mind, if mind had a light, it wouldn't go off. Mind goes off and mind becomes dull also. If anything has its own light, it won't become dull. Sun won't become dull. Some things nature remains same. Sugar won't become dull unless you mix it with something. You can't say same sugar is sweet, same is not sweet today. Evening it will be more sweet. The nature of a thing won't change. Acha, mind is sometimes brilliant, sometimes dull, most of the time dull, sometimes very brilliant. So in the night, if you are drowsy and sleepy, at that time, don't introduce serious discussions. Well, I'm already quite tired. And a tired person searches for some kind of entertainment also. I will give you a good word for entertainment. Diversion. TV वगैरह खोलो यार. I'm very tired. Where is my couch? I want to recline like that. Some chips etc. should be there. आइसक्रीम हो, चिप्स हो जाए, थोड़ा सा कॉफी चाय कुछ हो जाए. 1 minute 50 times yawn. And problem with yawning is very contagious. Others also start. I'm not starting with that. Some of you start after that. So that mind is dull at that time. Hey, listen. You tell me that that mantra was there. Which mantra? You know that much? Shreyascha Preyascha. You remember that? But it was said to remember. Tell me, Shreyascha Preyascha Manusya. तव संपरीत विनक्ति धीरत. फिर क्या था? श्रेयो आददानस्य. श्रेयो हुई धीरोपि प्रेयसो वृणीते. Preyo sadhu vinite. So Mind is not bright. Write notes. Sometimes this is what you do the mistake. Mind is dull in the night and you start writing the notes. Nothing is striking. Mind is dull right now. Tamogod is there. And notes writing requires, you remember everything. And then you wonder, what is this word which I wrote? That is most irritating and embarrassing when you can't read your own today's handwriting. You struggle and you get very irritated. But whom to ask also? You get tired. But I have to complete the notes. I have to give it. 3 days notes are remaining. I write something. What is that? What was said here? Tamogod is there. Mind is very dull. But same mind, you get up in the morning after a good night's sleep. And no chanting classes are over and this is there, yes. Bright. Now you also to study. That means mind does not have his own light. Mind is also anubhati. Whose? Somebody knows my mind is not bright. That is bhati, knower of mind. And this mind is anubhati. Dekho how much we are going behind. Only don't go too behind, we'll fall down. No. So, this knower is there. This knower also comes and goes. Why? You say, I woke up. I woke up. Who? I. You know that you woke up, no? So one who woke up, there is some other one who did not wake up, who knew I woke up. फिर से सुनो जरा से, be alert. Attention, please. When you say he has come, that means you have to be before that. I did not see you coming in the class, but you saw me coming because you are bhati and I was anubhati. When you say I woke up, that means somebody must be there who knew that who was there before waking up also, who saw this waker. That is bhati and this is anubhati. Dekho bhaiya dekho. And this one does not have anubhati. This is the final bhati. That which is the deep sleep, also the consciousness. That is bhati, all are anubhati. Again I'll start. This consciousness which is in the deep sleep is ever effulgent. Light of that comes as a knower. That is anubhati. For knower, mind is anubhati. For mind, sense organ anubhati. For sense organ, sense objects are anubhati. And therefore what? Therefore, what therefore? That light, outside light, cannot be known unless it is pervaded by the light of consciousness, sir. This light, unless it falls on your body, it cannot be known. So light of consciousness has to mix with this light. And then only this outer light can be known. Tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. Tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. Idam sarvam bhantam tam anubhati. If that is illumined, being this consciousness, unless that is, because of this everything else is illumined. Idam sarvam bhantam, whatever is all illumined. Tam anubhati, isko anubhati, that is illuminating everything. Everything is illuminated by this consciousness. Got my point?